Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a board of Pinterest, just something like a mood board or a board for inspiration on Pinterest, and I will show you this as quick as possible how you can do this. Alright, first we go to create and there we click on boards, and right now we want to give our board a name, so new home 2025. Now make this board secret, and right now I want to create this board. So right now we can save some pins if you want to, because if you see a style, now I like this style, then we click on save, then we click on your board's new home, and now we save this nice photo in our board. Now we go back, and I like this type of living room, then we click on that photo, then we click on save, and then add this to your boards. We go back, and this is a great workroom for my new home. So I want to save this again, click on your boards, and now if we go back and click on the cross, you see that we just created a board with a lot of inspiration in our board on Pinterest. So this is exactly how you can create a board with pictures from Pinterest and how you can create a mood board. You can also add pictures on create from your own library. Yeah, you can tap on more IDs to see more IDs like these. So a lot of relevant IDs, you can see that too. But this is the way how you can create a mood board of Pinterest. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.